Hope you are all doing well. Hopefully, fingers crossed, me and the family will be able to next week head back to the UK for a couple of weeks. Fingers crossed, they are no longer on the amber list, but let's just see. We've got very flexible flights if we need to be. So excited to be finally going back to the UK after almost a year of not seeing family. So that would be lovely. But anyway, let's move on to today. Today is Wednesday. Today is the next letter in our action. All this week, 5 days worth of free training for hosts all over the world. If you're not part of it, you've missed out. So head to booster.co.uk. You can put your name down for a future one. But today is the letter T. And T is all about time. And this is a phrase that I've heard time and time again on the internet. Busy equals out of control. And I totally get that. Busy or hectic hosts running around the place, trying to do everything themselves. I've seen it. I've lived it. I've seen my parents try and do it. I've seen so many people do it. And it doesn't help. So today what we're going to do is we're going to try and focus on what hosts are doing on their day-to-day and what tasks can we either automate or outsource or delegate. And that's what it really is all about. If I can help somebody save a couple of hours a week, fantastic. Well, this is what we're going to be delving into today. So if you're in the group, go and check your workbook. We've got something to be doing tonight. We've got our group call. I'm loving the group calls. I'm loving doing it. And we're going to be really delving into that and, debriefing everything and cutting in and showing a few things. So this is where I just want to say the message, busy is out of control. If you're watching this right now, before jumping into the group, what tasks do you do that you could potentially outsource or automate? Let us know below. I'm always interested to hear. But this week, the daily podcasts, shorter than normal because we've got a lot going on. If you want to be a part of the challenge, if you're not yet, I'm afraid you've missed out on this one, but you can put your name down and hopefully you can come and join in on one of the ones in the future. If you are part of the challenge, please leave your feedback. I'd love to hear it. Pop it below. Let me know what you're feeling. If you listen to the audio version of this, mark at booster.co.uk. If you're watching a YouTube video or anything like that, then please let us know. As always, hit the thumbs up, subscribe if you want to find out more. booster.co.uk/podcast is where you can go and check out more information. And I'll be back tomorrow as always, where we're going to delve into the next letter in what we're going to be doing this week. But thank you so much for tuning in, and I will be back tomorrow. Ta-ta for now. Take care. Bye-bye.
Having a blast, gonna get it on the Bruce Lee podcast. Bruce Lee like Bruce Lee, cause it's so hard and the T is loose leaf. Making up those rhymes, don't write it, just do it loosely.